Hi friends, welcome to my video. Here you can learn about application security, a small topic in wireless application protocol. It is shortened by WAP. I'm a student, final year student studying in, you can see in slide, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. It is accredited with A grade by NAC and it is located in Coimbatore 641006. And my teacher name is Suganta Priya, MC MPhil, who is handling this subject. So I submitted this video to my assistant professor in Department of Computer Science. Yeah, I know he is my class teacher also. So, according to me, myself, Kritika S. 17 BCS, it is my register number, and finally a student of computer science in this Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi of college. So, I think you can go inside our topic and learn something. My topic is application security. Yeah, you can see what is security. It's a common thing which we will think it is must, right? Application security is the process making apps and finding and fixing and enhancing the security apps. This is more important because hackers increasingly target applications with their attacks. Lot of attention on the application settings is getting now, and hundreds of tools are available to secure various elements of our application protocols for network based apps, and we designed especially in firewalls for web applications also, right? Coding traits, avoiding encryptions, options, and auditing permissions. Some. These are the tools we can see. Why application security is important? Can you think? Yeah, it is very important. 83% of 85,000 applications is tested at least one security flaw. 20% of all apps at least have one high-risk flaw, right? Security is integrated into your application development environment, workflow, simpler and more effective. Since they can save time and expenses by catching problems before the auditors see them. Security tools are integrated into your application development. If tester has one lead, then it is gone. The rapid growth in the application security is helped by nature of how enterprises apps are constructed in last several years, wherein IT shop could take months to refine the requirements and build test prototypes. Garant, in a report of the App Security Hypercycle updated in September 2018, said that IT managers need to go beyond identifying common application development security errors and protecting against common attack techniques. It's called as located in Hypercycle. Many of these categories are emerging and employee related and new products. Why application security tools? There are hundreds tools to secure our application. There are two, which are security testing tools and application shielding products. Okay, IBM, CFI, and Micro Focus. You can some companies' needs or software industries. These tools are well enough. Garant has created its magic quadrant and clarified their success. IT's instruction has been able to survey and rank these mentors too, and categorized and several broad buckets as they are somewhat useful. And we are going to see them: static testing, dynamic testing, and iterative testing, and mobile testing. These are the types. Static, which means fixed points during its development, and it is useful for developers to check their code, right? Then dynamic testing, it is running code. It's more useful attack protection system. And interactive combines elements of both static and dynamic, like what we call bus. Interactive testing, yeah, it's gone. Runtime application self protection. These tools could be considered communication of testers and shielding. They provide a measure of protection against possible rules attacks. RATs, which will like become the default of many mobile development environment and built as a part of other mobiles. Expect to see more alliances among software vendors that have solid RASIP solutions that affect the web shielding. Now we are seeing about runtime application self-protection, right? Okay. You will find a vast collection of smaller point products that in many cases have limited history and customer bases. And then code amplifications, encryption and anti-typtic tools, threat detection tools, code applications. Hackers often use application methods to hide their malware. Remember. And now tools allow developer to do this to help protocol their code. Encryption. There are other methods that can be used to keep the bad guys gaining insights into your code. Traits. Examine the environment or network where the apps can run. Application security challenges. A part of the problem is that IT has satisfied different matters to secure their apps. They first keep involving security and application development tools market. IT also has to anticipate the business needs. No enterprise is divine. A recent survey of 500 IT managers have found the average level of software. Application security tools pyramid. You can see application security correlations, test coverage, mobile applications, and last ads, SATs, DAST, SE, and database security scanning. These are the pyramids. Five critical security risks are most critical. SQL injections and sensitive data as per broken authentication and section management and cross-site script is also known as XSS. Broken access controllers. These are the five critical securities which I can research the most. You can know what is broken authentication differences. Now you are seeing about flowchart. There are some types of flowchart. First one is first you know about your web application and then you must configure. Configure is the codings which are given from the IT managers while developing the app. And third is scan your web application. Then compare the scan results with previous data and then fix the issues. Whatever the issues are fixing from the previous, after you must fix and retest and generate reports. This is the flow chart of web security. This is external network to internal network. There will be a firewall. See, some apps are developed in the computer and firewalls are transferred and it is transferred to the web server and database server. This is the difference between external network. And thank you for watching my video. I think you have learned something about application security. Thank you a lot.